ഇതിപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഒരു ആഗ്രഹമാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു ആഗ്രഹമാണ് എൻ്റെ വണ്ണം കുറയ്ക്കണം, എനിക്ക് നന്നായിട്ട് ഇരിക്കണം എന്നൊക്കെയുള്ളത്. അത് ആഗ്രഹമാണ്, പക്ഷെ അത് പറ്റൂല എന്നാണ് ഭൂരിഭാഗം ആൾക്കാരും വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം സമയത്തിരക്ക് കാരണവും എല്ലാം കൊണ്ടും പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നവരാണ് എല്ലാവരും. അപ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരി പേർക്ക് വെയിറ്റ് കുറയ്ക്കണം എന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ യോഗ ചെയ്താൽ എങ്ങനെ വെയിറ്റ് കുറയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും എന്ന് ഉള്ളതാണ് ഞാൻ കാണിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു നോക്കൂ, പറ്റുന്നവർ ചെയ്യും. ഇൻഹേൽ, സ്ട്രെച്ച് your hands up and exhale, bend forward. Hands down, hold your ankle, hands back, come into inverted V. Adjust your body and come into inverted V. Come into push-up position. Hold for 10 counts. Come into inverted V. Now raise your right leg up and down. Now left leg up and down. Now again come into push-up position. Hold for 10 counts. Now come into inverted V. Now raise your right leg up, bend your knees and bring the leg towards your left side and look to your right side and back. Left leg up, bend your knee and bring it towards your right side and look to your left side and back. Come into push-up position. Now come into inverted V. Raise your right leg up, bend your knees and bring the leg forward and back. Left leg up, bend your knees and bring the leg forward and back. Come into inverted V. Come into push-up position, half down, come into cobra, look up. Come into inverted V. Come into push-up position, half down, come into cobra. Come into inverted V. Come into push-up position, half down, come into cobra. Come into inverted V. Bring your right leg forward and stretch and back. Come into inverted V. Bring it towards the left side and back. Come into inverted V. Come into push-up position, fully down. Rotate your shoulders. Keep your hands on the side of your chest, forehead down. Inhale and exhale, slowly come up. Look up. And down. Keep your hands under your thighs, chin down, and raise both the legs up. And down. Forehead down. Inhale and exhale, slowly come up. Lift your legs up, look up. And Come into inverted V. Right leg forward, left toe towards your left side, and slowly stretch. Now slowly stretch back. Slowly bring your hands down. Look to opposite. Slowly bring both the hands down. Bring your left knee down. Slowly come up and stretch back. And back. Come into inverted. Nicely stretch. Adjust your body. Slowly and stretch whole your body. Now left leg forward, right toe towards your right side, and slowly stretch. Now slowly stretch back. Now slowly bring your hands down. Look to your opposite hand. Now slowly bring both the hands down. Right knee down. Slowly stretch your hands back and back. Come into inverted V. Slowly stretch. Now slowly walk towards your hands. Walk, 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 and walk. And hands down. Now walk back. Now walk your hands back. Now walk your hands forward. Now walk your legs forward. And slowly come up. Rotate your shoulders and stretch back and straight.
Ethnic Health Code in Public Interest.